3, 2, 1.
Action! Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be reviewing a product, and it is a fan, and we're going to replace that old broken one in the magic box with a good new one. So let's get started.
Subscribe! Woo! Can you get out of there? Power, hey! But you have another box inside!
No, oh my God!
You have another box inside, eh?
Just like 4 more boxes in there, like.
So what we like about this fan, that the fan has a sensor. The sensor, if it's raining, it will close by himself.
What?
Yeah, and they have a remote. For now, we don't have remote and no sensors. So sometimes when it's raining, I woke up in the middle of the night and everything is wet. Okay? Take me back to childhood. Okay. This is the fan. This is the box of the fan. We have here some nails. We have here the guide. Why not? We need some business card. This is probably to put like insulation in the sides around it, and this is the remote.
So
What are you doing?
This is my bus. Yeah, I bought this car for like $50,000. I want to drill.
You want to drill?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's remove those. You see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold that. Do you know how to use a drill?
Yes.
Okay.
I've used it before. Yeah.
Now.
I did. Oh my gosh.
So in our case, we needed to remove the old fan and put a new one. The average size of those fans are 14 by 14. No matter which fan you buy in the market, it's going to be 14 by 14.
Wow.
That's part of the fan. Step over here.
Subscribe.
Here is a very important step before we continue and put the fan in. We took waterproof heat shrink tubing to prevent moist to get to the electricity. Also, you will have to get an extension cord from the positive and the negative of the fan directly to the battery, because the cables are pretty short, as you can see. We got lucky because we had the old fan and I already had the extension cord. Now I just added the silicone stripe that we got with the product. You just put it as a sticker and you peel it off. I'm using the knife to mark where I have already holes. If you did the hole yourself and the hole is new, just drill right through it. You will not have any issue. And the step after we put the fan is a pretty important step, so stay tuned and please don't skip this step. Here we're just drilling it back in place. Now it's the important step that I talked about before. Silicone sealant, silicone insulation, you can call it how you want to. But it's a very important step to maintain the fan without leakings. I used all the tube, don't be cheap. It's very cheap product, it's like $5. This sealant comes in many colors. It's coming in clear, black, white. I used clear, but I don't think the color is very important because it's, after all, is on top on the ceiling, and let's be honest, nobody see it. I recommend you to use a rubber glove, just as like I use in the video. Don't touch it with your hands. This is chemicals. You can find also all the items in the description down below.
Yes, sir.
This should detect the water and close the hood so that no water gets in through the fan.
All right.
There you go.
That's cool. It's working!
Now inside of the car is wet.
Yeah, and you think about it, we tested out. We should have tested out for the people that watch, no?
Yeah, you're right. Subscribe and we'll get you $10,000 and you'll be in a video!